Did you know your car can sell anything with Ridy? For those of us in the gig economy, freedom and flexibility are key. Every hour counts. Let's make them more profitable. Fuel costs are on the rise. Last week alone might have seen you spending $100 just to keep going. The maintenance costs can easily total $100 to $200 in a month, depending on what surprises the road brings. And those car washes and interior perks to keep riders happy? Add another $50 for that 5-star shine. Want a seat cover? That's $100 gone. And an extra phone line for the rideshare apps? Say goodbye to another $30 each month. What if you could offset some of these costs without taking your focus off the road? Enter Ridy, your car's personal marketplace with the vending device. It's like running your own eBay or Amazon right from your back seat. Stock it with items you choose, snacks, drinks, or physical items. Don't forget to keep your AC on to get extra tips from rides, and keep your things cool and ready to sell. Your passengers just scan, tap, and enjoy. The smart locks ensure seamless and secure transactions. A few sales later, and Ridy has paid for itself, all while you keep earning from fares. Plus, the convenience might just turn into better tips and stellar ratings. In the gig economy, every hour matters. With Ridy, make those hours work smarter, not harder. Embrace your entrepreneurial spirit. Hurry up!